Okay, I found more berries here and it's really yummy. I'm gonna eat some of them. It's so good. Mmm. It's really good. Mmm. Okay. It's really good, man. I love it. Oh wow. You can see it's all over here. It's like almost 2-3 pounds. See here. You can see this guy here. It's so yummy. See you. Next time I'm gonna bring a bag, a carry bag tomorrow, and I will do some, and I will take some home tomorrow. It's so good, so yummy. It looks so fantastic, fabuloso, right? See this? So I will be back tomorrow with a plastic bag, a carry bag, and I'm gonna take all this home tomorrow. So Jesus, so yummy, so good, you know. So don't forget to like, subscribe and share my channel, and we will meet you tomorrow in the next video. It's so yummy. It's so good, man. Bye bye, take care, love you, see you in the next vlog.